Good afternoon everyone, and my name's Kevin. Today it's a beautiful day and it's springtime, and it's a good opportunity to do a bit of repotting in the garden. And today I wanted to speak a little bit about safely handling potting mixes. And of course there's various types of potting mixes available for repotting purpose. First things first though, before we do any potting, it's important that we protect ourselves. There are a number of different types of masks suitable for wearing during repotting, and we'd advise always to wear a mask, particularly when you're opening bags and there's a lot of dust in the air from when you first open the bag. There's either a P2 or an N95 mask, which are the ones that are generally recommended to safely use in dusty environments. The other consideration you need to have for those people who like wearing gloves, it's a good idea to either wear gloves during the potting process, or at the end of it, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly to remove any microorganisms, etc. from your hands. Potting mixes are a natural product. They contain microorganisms, and microorganisms are very good in a lot of situations in the garden, but they're just things that we probably don't want to be inhaling, and it's worth taking some precautions when you are potting. I'm just going to demonstrate how to pot a plant, and it's the same technique regardless of the sort of plants that you might be repotting. In this case I've got some little marigold seedlings which I want to pop into this timber box, and I think they'll look really good on a patio in a hot sunny position, give you good colour right through the summer. So it's easy as popping out the marigold from the container, loosening off the roots a little bit, making a hole in the potting mix to the right depth and the right height for the plant, and then just slowly backfilling the soil around the plant. This container will take a number of plants. It's quite a large container. I'm going to put around about 4 or 5 in this one pot, and they'll fill out through the warmer months and they'll continue to flower right through the warmer months. But it's the same principle regardless of what sort of plant it is that you're potting. Always remember at the end of the potting session to thoroughly wash your hands and seal up the potting mix bag for use later on. It will keep as it is. Avoid inhaling any of the dust from the potting mix. Make sure you're wearing a mask, and for those of you who like wearing gloves, you can wear gloves at the same time.